Tired of struggling to share those massive files? Well, say goodbye to upload limits and complicated sharing processes forever. Today, we're diving into Dropbox Transfer, a game-changer for sending large files to absolutely anyone, no account required. First things first, head over to the Dropbox Transfer page. You can usually find this on the main Dropbox website, or by searching directly for Dropbox Transfer. Once you're on the transfer page, you'll see a clear option to select the files you want to send. Click on that, and your computer's file browser will pop up. Now, browse your computer and choose all the files you need to transfer. This can be a single large video, a zip file containing many documents, or even a collection of high-resolution images. You'll see all your chosen files listed, along with their combined file size. This gives you a good overview of what you're about to send. Now, for a crucial security feature, the expiration date. Click on Link Settings, and you'll find an option to set when the shareable link will expire. This is fantastic for ensuring your sensitive files don't remain accessible indefinitely. Choose a date that makes sense for your needs. Whether it's a few days, a week, or a month, this adds an extra layer of control over your shared content. Once you're happy with your file selection and the expiration date, simply click the Create Link button. Dropbox will work its magic to prepare your transfer. And there you have it. A unique shareable link is generated. You can copy this link directly and paste it into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you need to send it. You'll also notice options to share directly via email if you prefer, making the process even smoother. The best part? The recipient doesn't need a Dropbox account to access and download these files. They'll click your link, see the files, and download them with ease. So, for seamless, secure, and hassle-free large file sharing, give Dropbox Transfer a try. Your clients and collaborators will thank you.